Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In this video, we'll be seeing the chamfer option, which is used to create a flat edge on a solid feature. So first, let us start off by creating a solid feature. Let's draw a simple rectangle and extrude it. Now we can activate the chamfer option over here. There are 5 options. Let's look into them one by one. First one is called angle and distance. So here you can select the edge and select the angle at which you want the chamfer and also the distance you want from the edge you have selected, and press OK. You'll get it at that distance. And the next one is distance and distance. You can specify the distance from the edge till the chamfer. So if I want it symmetric, it will be 10 and 10 till the chamfer. If I want it, I can make it asymmetric as well. I can give it 20 along this and 10 along this, and we get the chamfer. And the next option is vertex. So we can chamfer the vertex. So I can give different dimensions along each side as to how I want it, and then chamfer it as per that. And the next one is offset from face. So when I select that and select a edge, it offsets it at that particular distance from the uh, edge I've selected. So here also symmetric asymmetric can be done. So if I have kept it at symmetric and 10 mm, I can it is offset to a distance of 10 mm from this edge. So if I increase it, it goes further down, and then I can just press OK. So that was the fourth option, and the next one is face and face. So if I want to chamfer this and this face, I can select it, and this one. Here also symmetric and asymmetric, all that can be selected, and the distance can be given and can be done. So we get the chamfer. It's basically used to create flat edges on the vertices and on the corners as well. So this was the chamfer option. Thank you guys for watching. Hope it was helpful. If you have any doubts or requests, you can post them in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them.